Hey, good morning, CC3 Math 8 students. Mr. Anderson here, and let's get right to it. Today you are doing systems of equations with substitution. So you will get an equation looking something similar to this equation right there. In fact, okay, where you're going to notice that you will have a variable in one of the two equations that stands by itself. It might be a y, like it is in this case, or it might be an x. This is very important. So what we're going to do is we are actually going to take the other equation, the one that does not have a variable by itself, and we're going to just rewrite that equation, but we're going to write it in a special way. You're going to notice that I wrote the 2x just like I did here, 2x. We're then going to write negative, whoopsie, we're then going to write, I'm going to just lock that, I guess I can't lock that in place, I wonder if I can. There we go. Then we're going to write the negative 3y, but instead of the y, because the y is the variable that we have up here by itself, so instead of the y, I'm going to put in parentheses right there, equals 19. So everything here in this equation here is identical to everything in this equation here, except for in place of the y, I put parentheses. Then what I do is, since we know on this equation that y equals negative 4x plus 3, we're going to take what y equals and we're going to put that right in here. Boom, negative 4x plus 3. So we still have the same equation, 2x minus 3y, only we put what y equals in place of it. We substituted it in there, and now we're going to solve. So first up, we need to take these two terms and distribute them. And when we do that, we get 2x plus 12y, because negative 3 times negative 4x is positive 12x. And negative 3 times positive 3 is negative 9, so we just distributed. We then are going to combine the like terms, which in this case is 2x plus 12x. Hopefully you would all know that's 14x. We still have the minus 9 equals 19. Then we will add 9 to both sides. You can see that right here. We will add 9 to both sides. When we do that, we get 14x equals 28. And our final step is divide by 14, and we get x equals 2. Then, here comes kind of the easy part. We're going to plug this information, the x equals 2, into our first equation, this one right up here, and solve for y. So, we plug in, we have y equals negative 4x, but you'll notice instead of the x, we put parentheses plus 3. We're going to plug in, we know x now equals 2, so instead of writing x, we'll write a 2 right there. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8, and then negative 8 plus 3 is 5. So our answer would be x equals 2 and y equals 5. And that is how you solve a system of substitution. Hey, if this is confusing, please reach out to me on Google Chat, and I'll be happy to help you. I've been helping lots of students get through this, and I'd love to help you as well. So have a great day. Bye-bye.